Hey, what's up guys, Pratham is back here. Welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you're getting into my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button at the end of my video. Watch my video till the end and please hit the subscribe button and a like.
Hey guys, in today's video I would like to show you how to do this. Look, I have changed the center pieces. Yellow, green, blue, in white and blue, and this is red and white. Look all this. Now today's video I would like to show you how to do this. So friends, watch the video till the end. Look, now we have to do this kind of stuff. Only in 2 moves we will get the results. Okay friends, enjoy the video. Thank you friends.